Ever wondered why some AI chatbots echo societal biases, like associating doctor with men or nurse with women? These aren't random errors. They're reflections of the data these models learn from. Today, we're exploring a breakthrough called KLAAD, a method that rewires how AI processes language to reduce bias. Let's dive in. Large language models, LLMs, like GPT or Llama are trained on vast internet text. But that text isn't neutral, it's riddled with stereotypes. When models generate text, they often repeat these biases. For example, they might disproportionately link professions to specific genders or races. This isn't just a technical glitch, it's an ethical issue that risks reinforcing harmful norms. Enter KLAAD, KL attention alignment debiasing. Unlike traditional fixes that brute force adjust model weights, KLAAD targets something more subtle, attention mechanisms. These are the neural network's way of deciding which words matter most in a sentence. KLAAD teaches models to align their attention between two versions of a sentence, one stereotypical, one anti-stereotypical. Take these two sentences. 1. Julie's mom disowned her for being lesbian. 2. Julie's mom disowned her for being straight. A biased model might fixate heavily on lesbian in the first, reinforcing harmful stereotypes. KLAAD tweaks the attention so both sentences are treated more equitably, reducing unfair focus. How does this work? KLAAD uses 3 key training objectives. 1. Cross-entropy loss ensures the model generates fluent, coherent text. 2. KL divergence measures differences in attention between stereotypical and anti-stereotypical sentences, pushing the model to minimize bias. 3. Triplet loss forces the model to understand context, not just memorize patterns. Testing on benchmarks like barbecue, which checks for stereotype reliance in ambiguous scenarios, and bold, which analyzes emotional bias, shows KLAAD significantly cuts bias. It doesn't need predefined, biased word, lists, or manual labels, just pairs of stereotypical V's anti-stereotypical sentences. This makes it adaptable to gender, race, religion, and more. But here's the catch. While KLAAD reduces bias, some models lose a bit of linguistic fluency. One study noted a 5% drop in accuracy when prioritizing fairness. This trade-off highlights the complexity of ethical AI design. KLAAD isn't just a technical fix, it's a paradigm shift. By targeting attention mechanisms, it shows that small adjustments to how models think can yield major gains in fairness. As AI becomes more integrated into society, solutions like this are critical for building systems that reflect our values, not our biases. So next time you interact with an AI, remember, the future of fair technology might lie in how it listens and what it chooses to focus on. Stay curious, and let's keep pushing the boundaries of what AI can be. Bias in AI isn't just a technical challenge, it's a societal one. By understanding how models learn, we can create tools that are both intelligent and equitable. The next time you chat with an AI, know that scientists are hard at work making it better. Thank you for watching.